Welcome to this guide on how to change the font on your Instagram posts. Fonts can play a significant role in making your posts stand out and convey the right message. Instagram is all about visual appeal, and a unique font can add that extra touch of creativity to your content. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through various methods to change the font on your Instagram posts, whether you're looking to add a touch of elegance or a splash of personality to your captions and stories. But if you want to, don't see this video, so while you are late, go and watch him. So let's get started. So first, go to your Instagram app and you upload a video on Instagram. You see down next options, so click them and give a caption and copy this title and go to Chrome and search IG Fonts Docio and click the first link and you see up a add text here. So give your copying title and enter. You see many fonts: Italian, bold, and many. So copy one's font and go to your Instagram post and paste here. Now that you've learned the tricks and tools to change the font on your Instagram posts, the world of creative possibilities is at your fingertips. By experimenting with different fonts, you can enhance your Instagram presence, engage your audience, and bring your stories to life in new and exciting ways. Whether you prefer the default Instagram fonts, apps, or websites to generate unique fonts, remember that your font choice is an extension of your brand and identity. So go ahead, get creative, and make your Instagram feed truly one of a kind.